Hey everybody, I am Santana Wood. I'm the face and the journalist behind this blog, Heart of Pike County, and I'm officially wrapping up the semester at Troy University, so I'm wrapping up my blog, Heart of Pike County. And I just wanted to thank you all for following my blog, and I also wanted to say that I have enjoyed each and every story that I've done, and I have loved getting to highlight some incredible people in our community. So please take a look at everything that was covered on Heart of Pike County this semester.
Jacqueline Meeks has made a life rescuing animals, and now she works her dream career as Pike Animal Shelter Director.
I am Jacqueline Meeks, and I am Heart of Pike County.
Hector Ramirez had a tough childhood, but it led him to his strong faith, so now he spends his days teaching the gospel to the youth in Pike County as the Vine Church student pastor.
Hi, my name is Hector Ramirez, and I am Heart of Pike County.
Jeffrey Lewis wanted a change in worship on campus, so he and his friends started their own student-led ministry called Higher Grounds.
I'm Jeffrey Lewis, and I am Heart of Pike County.
Lydia Williams has been an entrepreneur since age 17 and runs her own photography business on top of schoolwork and being a campus photographer.
I am Lydia Williams, and I am Heart of Pike County.
Jeffrey McClure is a student and musician who has big dreams of opening his own school of music here in Pike County.
My name is Jeffrey McClure, and I'm Heart of Pike County.
This was Heart of Pike County, a blog about the artists and the leaders, the eccentric and the talented, the world changers and the difference makers of Pike County, Alabama.